This is Adrian from Proposal Point. Thanks for watching today. And I'm going to show you how you're able to remove images from the media library. We have had a request for this as images that you add to a proposal that aren't taken from Pricefinder or CoreLogic are all added to the library and remain there for future use. So some people just want the ability to be able to clean this up a little bit, as they are getting a lot of images in their media library. Now, to do this, you will need to be an Office admin. So when you're viewing the media library, you simply go to Media Library, and you can see all of the images that have been uploaded. Now, when you select an image, and once again, this is only the Office admin that can do this, there is now a button or an option that says delete permanently. So if you don't see that there, but you do want to delete some images or an image, you will need to get in touch with your Office admin, and they'll need to log in on their account to do this. So simply select an image, click delete permanently, and then you will get a message advising you that it will be permanently deleted, but also be aware it will be removed from any proposals you have that actually use that image as well. So if you have any existing proposals out there using that image, you want to check that before actually deleting it. But it's as simple as that. Just click OK, and that is permanently deleted. If you have any questions, let us know, and we're happy to help out. Thank you. Bye.